Okay, episode number 3 of my Great Guitar Build-Off video series. So until now we've done the body, the neck, and now it's time to, well, I haven't done the frets yet, so frets are next. And then I'll be carving the sides of the body. You'll see what happens. It's gonna be cool. And also joining the neck and the body, and then doing a carve for the axis to the higher frets. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. First, I need to bend them. Now I cut them. Okay, since I have binding on the sides of my fretboard, I will have to cut the tangs here on the side with this little machine thing. On to hammering in the frets. Okay, so now I'll be grinding off the sides of the frets like this. I don't slice my hands open when I play it. Obviously, I savagely sliced into my finger. And now I'm going to level the frets. Up next, crowning. Sanding. Crimson fret rubbers, the abrasive of choice for the smart luthier. Rounding the fret ends over. So my local shop ran out of those little wheels that you put on your Dremel to buff stuff. So I plan B, this and a lot of elbow grease. I hope I'll manage. Get lost, lights out, don't know where the next step will take me. Insecurity rises. Okay, so next up I have to figure out how to join these two. It's the first time I use a neck tenon, so I'm gonna have to make a bigger neck pocket. So the pickup is gonna be on top of this part, and yeah, gotta make the holes. In addition to the recess I did on the neck tenon, I also made a little channel so that the little pole pieces on the P90 actually fit in, and the height of the pickup is perfect. So next up is the neck cavity. There we go. It fits. Okay, so I decided to put a veneer onto the headstock just to cover this part, and I mean it's gonna be painted anyway. Probably I'll do some binding too. So yeah. No clue what the time is. Guess I must have trashed all your Alright, let's remove these clamps. Great, I glued the flock onto the veneer. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, that's alright. Perfect. Okay, so I decided to put some binding, at least on the inside of the headstock. I'll see how that will look, and then I'll decide if I do the outside as well. So first of all, I'm going to cut a channel and then inlay the binding. So I need to make a template for these P90 pickups.
Leaving the night, you stole me from reality, and together we escaped unwittingly to the cover of the crowd, to the hour where the word love is undressed from its meaning.
Alright, that looks terrible.
Stripped from its heavy load.
Well, that was tedious. Managed to make this. It fits. It's good. I am very much looking forward to doing more fun stuff now. I don't like this. So now I'm gonna trace the cavities for the pickups. So I'm gonna be sure that it's in the right position. Looking good.
And hand in hand we dance, twirling through the...
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
By the light is full, by the light of expectation, mesmerized by the light.
So now it's on to routing. So now that I have done the cavities, I will have to drill through to make a kind of a channel to have the wiring go through like this. It's the easiest way to get to the control cavity in the end. Now to a step I've been looking forward to and dreading at the same time. I'm gonna be doing the carve on the sides. So there's gonna be a slant on these sides. Like this, we'll be able to see the ports, the exhaust ports or F-holes a bit better, and it's gonna give it a bit more of a three-dimensional thing. Also, I'm gonna do a curve on this top part. So yeah, this is either gonna make it absolutely gorgeous, or it's gonna destroy it completely.
Let me savor this pleasure so guiltily, ever so guiltily, 'cause you.
Of course. Okay, so the carve is done. Well, roughly. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Good angle, good angle. Yeah, you can see the ports better now. There's a nice geometry to it. Okay, I'm quite happy with the result of the carving. I think it looks nice. Now I'm gonna have to join the neck and the body. In order to do that, first I'm gonna put a little bit of an angle into the neck, so I can have a nice angle. I like angled necks for some reason. I think it's more comfortable. Yeah.
And when the lights came back.
Okay, the magic moment. Gonna glue the neck to the body. Make this look a bit more like a guitar.
Come, we were torn from our dream states, and together we emerged reluctantly from the
Fine. Alright, clamps.
cover of the crowd, and in the pre-dawn light, unwillingly we parted.
Okay, got a good amount to squeeze out everywhere, so that's kind of good.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to the big reveal. Let's get those clamps off and see what happened. Oh my god, it's a guitar. It's a guitar. Yeah. Wow, am I happy about the results. Look at this. I mean, I didn't even imagine it to come out this nice, but it did. So that's cool. So now that I have glued the neck, I will have to carve the neck joint and give it a nice low contour, so it's nice and comfortable when you go up high the register for them tasty solos. Yeah, my dusty pants are on already, so let's get on with the carving.
with a promise on our lips. Let me savor this pleasure so guiltily, ever so guiltily. 'Cause you said I was forgive me. Wow. Let me savor this pleasure so guiltily, ever so guiltily.
Okay, well, wasn't that some solid entertainment? I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. This is the end result. I am pretty stoked with how it came out. The slant is very nice. I am super happy with that. Heel joint, maybe to refine, maybe this part, but basically we're there. It's super comfy. If you guys enjoyed yourselves, please click like, subscribe to all of that good stuff. If you haven't seen the previous 2 videos, there are some links in the description. And I'm probably not gonna make a video next week because next up is a lot of sanding and a lot of paint drying, which is notoriously boring to watch. So I will probably skip a week and then make a final video in which I paint and I assemble and I do the electronics and all of that, and then everything is done. For the rest, take care, build guitars, it's awesome.